Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. The greatness of India is in Veda, which is Apaurushaya, not by human effort. Because the human work can have some mistakes, some wrongs, may not be perfect. We aim at perfection. Purity, perfection. Veda has those two items, purity, perfection. And the motivation there is, mind should be elevated. The sharpening of the mind was the aim. The Gayatri mantra is that. Dhiyo yona prachodayat. Kindle my mind. So, mind is everything. Mind can grasp the entire process of creation, God. Now the artificial intelligence, they want to go beyond the mind. That will not succeed. Because outside the mind, you have only the God Supreme. So, Veda itself provided for it. Devo devale prokto, jivo deva sanatanaha. Mind has the connection with the soul. They have that intimate relationship, the mind and the soul. Body, mind and soul, they are so interconnected. So whatever is beyond the mind cannot reach perfection. The fault with artificial intelligence is that it is trying to be outside the mind. It interacts with the mind, but mind has the capacity above any other power. So follow Veda, follow Gayatri. Try to elevate your mind by this Ram. Ram has the capacity or of the vibration to uplift the mind, the superconscious levels. Consciousness, superconscious. Trance, earth, heaven. See, once you cross the natural forces covering the earth, like the gravitational force, you overcome it, you are in the skies, heaven, above. Like that, the mind has its capacities. Can you go beyond the mind? When the mind can be silenced. That is why Patanjali, Chitta Vritti Nirodha, he said. But Veda says, Chitta Suddhidayakaha. Purify the mind, elevate the mind, sharpen the mind by this Ram mantra. That is the power of mantra. Indians are wasting crores and crores of man-hours in storage rituals, this homams and all this. They will not elevate the mind. The other religious ceremonies also, they are a dead weight, they are bogged down the mind. They will not elevate the mind. It is so subtle and fine. Super conscious levels can be attained only by this super mantra, supreme mantra, Ram. It takes you to higher levels, beyond the limitations of the mind. So if all Indians are taught this basic spiritual truth, discipline, regimen, Ram, chant for a couple of minutes and see the difference. You are in a different plane. And that way, if you rise higher and higher, you will reach perfection. divinity, higher stages of spirituality. Jai Sri Ram.